Hey guys, today I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys 5 different tips and tricks you guys could add to your gaming session, which will help you improve and different things. So let's get right into the video. So for tip number 1, all you want to do is head over to Goron City right here and head right next to the general store. And once you head over here, you should see Remella over here. She will sell ores to you for higher prices, like 1,000. So yeah, so all you have to do is talk to her. So as you can see, 10 pieces of amber for 200 rupees only. So she will increase the selling price, and so let's just say 10 diamonds. She'll sell it to you for like 2,000 rupees, which is a bargain, I'd say. And so yeah, and you can just keep on doing this. By the way, all the time she'll always change the ores, so it won't be one specific ore. It will always be different. So right now it's amber. The next time it could be diamond. So yeah. So on to tip number 2. For tip number 2, I'm going to teach you guys how to kill Lynels very easily. This is very quick and easy. All you need for this is you need a Royal Guard Claymore and you need a Molduga draw. So let me quickly show you. So first of all, you want to do is get a Royal Guard Claymore. Keep on hitting on the ground until it's low. As you can see, the Royal Claymore is badly damaged. So now what you want to do is get your Molduga draw, which is right here. Hold. And then once you do that, you want to fuse it onto this. So it should be fused. It should be at 67 damage now. And now this can pretty much destroy any Lynels. And if you want to increase the damage, you can equip the Radiant Armor, which will double the amount of damage. And also, if you want to increase the damage even more, you can have a attack up thing food, which I'm gonna do right here. So I'm gonna attack a Lynel right now, and yeah. As you can see, there's a Lynel right there. So all we're gonna do is, if you've been to my other tips and tricks, you'll find this out. A bomb barrel shield. So with this, you can do this, and then just get a headshot on it. So now we've done that. All you wanna do now is hop on the back, and then just keep on attacking. So you just have to keep on repeating that. I'm just gonna pull this out. Okay, so wait, I'm gonna do this again. Now it's done that. What I'm gonna do is just keep on hitting. So now it's done that. Look, you see that? Easy. I'll take around like 6 hits and it's done. And if you can even make the damage even more by so the Royal Guard's Claymore, you can change the weapon to anything, but I use this because it's high damage and yeah, it's easy to get. So yeah, on to the next clip. So for the third tip, I'm going to be showing you how to defeat flux contract with ease. So this will work for any flux contracts, and I'll show you how to defeat them with ease. So for the first stage, you won't need any weapons. At the end, you just need a few weapons just to defeat it. So let me just show you. What we're going to do is hop down, start the battle, pull out your ultra hand, and you want it to start forming. So once it forms, you want to grab the leg. So right here, we've got the leg right there. So once you grab this leg, you won't be able to walk. Grab the other one too. There he can. So now he can't walk at all. So I'm gonna grab the other one. I'm gonna turn my stages off just so I can show you guys. Take the other arm off. And as you can see, you just completely. So now all you wanna do is just hit it. And this should be easy. So I have a really powerful weapon. If you guys want to figure out how to get this weapon, just ask me in the comments below and I'll teach you guys how to get it. So as you can see, very easy. This will work with any thing construct. For me, it only took like 3 hits because I had the Master Sword, the glitch Master Sword. It never runs out, and yeah. So let's get on to the next tip. So for the 4th tip, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a meal that will regenerate all your health just with one ingredient. So what I'm going to do is head to a cooking pot. right here, and all you want to do now is grab one hearty truffle. This will give you full regeneration and one golden heart. So look, hold that and cook. Full recovery and one golden heart, which I think is worth it. And if you don't have enough, all you can do is glitch where you have to hold 5 hearty truffles and then press Y and B at the same time in your inventory, and then this should duplicate it. As you can see, sometimes it may not work all the time. All you have to do is keep on repeating until it works. So let's see if it worked. So yeah, and I'll go until 40. Wait, let me just try that one more time. As you can see, 44. So yeah, so you can just keep on doing that, and you'll just get a bunch of them. You will never die pretty much. So yeah, this is an infinite health glitch, I would say. So yeah, on to the next tip. For our final tip, I'm going to be showing us how to increase your horse's stamina. So as you can see, our horse right now has 3 bars. Okay, so if you want to increase that, all you want to do is grab 1 enduro carrot. Hold. I was gonna grab 2, why not? And then let your horse eat it. If you guys wanna find out how to get this golden horse, just comment down below and I'll teach you guys how to get it. So now once you fed it, all you wanna do is mount it. It should, yep. So as you can see, it has extra stamina, and so it has 6 extra ones. So as you can see, there's carrots at the first ones, 3 carrots in the beginning. That's extra stamina, and there's 3 extra ones at the end. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more tips, comment down below and subscribe and like this video and share this video with everyone. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.